In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive. This process is straightforward and efficient, taking just about 5 minutes to complete. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This is crucial as it gives you access to the Office 365 suite, including OneDrive, where your documents are stored. Once you've logged in, you'll see the app launcher, sometimes referred to as the waffle icon, located in the upper left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a menu of apps that are part of your Office 365 subscription. From this menu, click on OneDrive. You'll be directed to your OneDrive homepage, which showcases all of your saved files and folders. Here, you want to navigate to My Files, where your personal data is stored. Once you are in My Files, proceed by clicking on Documents. This is where you'll find the files you'd like to share via a QR code. Now it's time to select the file you want to create a QR code for. Simply click on the file to highlight it. With the file selected, find the Share button and click it. A window will pop up providing various sharing options. Next, we're going to adjust the permissions. To do this, select the Anyone with the link can edit option. This setting ensures that anyone with the QR code will have access to the file. After selecting the permission, click on Apply to confirm your settings. You'll now see an option to copy link. Click on this to copy the sharing link to your clipboard. It's this link that will be transformed into a QR code. With your link copied, the next step is to open a QR code generator in your web browser. There are many free options available online, and they all work much the same way. Once you've opened the QR code generator, you'll be prompted to paste the link you copied earlier. Simply do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut. When the link is pasted, click on Create. The generator will swiftly convert your link into a QR code. Finally, once your QR code has been generated, look for the Download button. Clicking it will save your new QR code to your computer, ready for sharing or printing. And there you have it, you've successfully created a QR code using Office 365 and OneDrive. Whether you're sharing documents or any other type of file, this method is a quick and effective way to make your information easily accessible. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!